Ready.
Ready.
Yep. What you got?
And there.
Yeah.
Oh, Mum.
Yeah.
It's in here.
It fell in there, did it?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Never mind.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh. No. Yeah.
Mm.
Silly me.
Silly you.
It is on top.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
No. Try again.
It's top.
It's a bowl. Good girl. What else you got?
And top.
Yeah.
And cap.
Yeah.
And cow is and it's milk.
Yeah. That's right.
And top.
Yeah.
And go.
Yeah.
And up.
Well done.
And bully.
Yeah.
And apple.
Well done. Yeah.
Problem.
What problem?
Me, dolly and cow. Horsey.
Horsey. Yeah.
And spoon.
Yeah. Spoon.
What?
What?
Sound.
What's that sound?
That's the peacock.
That's computer. Alright.
Yeah.
Sit down and do your thingies then. What you got?
Got.
Oh. You do some more?
Oh, hot today.
Hot today, is it?
Yes.
Oh, right.
No.
You're going to do some more?
No.
Do some more cards?
No.
What else you got?
Oh, hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Yes.
Are you fanning yourself?
Yes.
Try and cool you down. Is it working?
No.
No. Oh, no. Is it windy now?
No. Look.
You can't look.
Please.
You can't look. Because otherwise Mummy can't see.